What are you doing?
It's our 1-year anniversary!
Lightspeed Fieros. Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys are doing well during all of this quarantine super craziness. Hopefully you guys are not injecting disinfectant into yourselves. I've been really bored in the house. I don't get out much, obviously, because of the quarantine. And I decided I think I'm gonna do a DIY on a car that I love, and it's gonna be my Saab. I don't do much to my Saab. It's turbocharged, so there's really no need. It's just a daily driver. I was driving the kids around in it. Yeah, I think it's time, guys. Today, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be putting a new emblem on my Saab. I'm gonna show you how to do it all by yourself. It's gonna be super quick, super easy, and it's really not gonna be that hard.
That's what she said.
Alright, so all the materials you're gonna need for this DIY modification to any emblem on your car is some sort of toy and some duct tape. This is real professional. I learned this from the pros. Okay, you guys. Oh my god, here comes Alex. What are you doing?
It's our 1-year anniversary!
Oh yeah, guys. Yeah, dude, we've been making videos for a whole year now. Pure insanity. So, thank you guys for coming on this journey with us. Wow, what a year it has been. We have made so many friends. I really should put this down.
Still doing it!
We're still doing it. Yeah, we're out here, guys. Okay, let's get back into this mod. So, I'm gonna start by peeling a piece off. Now, this bad boy's heavy, so I'm gonna put something at the base of it while I go ahead and secure the rest of it, just to give myself some sticky leverage. This might not even work. This thing is so heavy. I don't know if you understand how big this thing is. I can't do this seriously. Okay, so I might have to actually hold it. I was leaning on the car. It was in my pocket. It was like, get this dick off. Don't touch me with that dick. I'm sorry. Car, do you consent to me duct taping a dildo to you? Yo, for real though, consent is a serious fucking thing, and you should always ask for consent. So right now, I am taking pieces of duct tape, and I am just taping the base of this. It's very hard with only a single set of hands. Is this even funny? Are you guys even laughing? You should tell me in the comments below if you think I should keep adding sex toys as modifications to my car. Because I will. I will do it, and then I'll drive around town. Alright guys, here it is. Here's my DIY head ornament modification. It almost resembles the Jaguar. It's like lunging out at you. And just to show you how secure this is, that's some professional grade DIY, my dudes. Alright, you guys. All silliness aside, I hope you guys are doing well during this quarantine. The world is an ever-changing place. It's very true to say that after all of this, we probably won't go back to the way we were, but whatever we were doing before wasn't really working anyways. So I hope you take this time to find change in yourself. Let go of fears that you may have of this virus, of the unknown, of so many life's uncertainties. It's really not healthy for you to hold on to them. Really hope we can get back to this LSJ project soon. Been ordering parts for it, which is nice. I mean, we're making progress in slow increments and keeping busy, spending a lot of time together as family. I've actually been enjoying the fuck out of this Subaru I've been driving lately, because I was kind of done with this Saab. Also, love the Subarus, so I think I'm gonna go drive this car around. I think that's what's gonna happen. Maybe, hopefully there's gas in this car. We're gonna find out. So, before I end this video, I'm not gonna drive the car around anywhere, at least not yet. I'm gonna take this time to do something else. And one of those things is going to be to thank you guys for a whole year of fun, a whole year of creativity, a whole year of pure craftsmanship, of love and support, a whole year of me getting to learn how to work on cars and have fun and have a great creative outlet. Alex absolutely loves this. He loves spending time editing. As gruesome as it can be, he's like picked up on this new hobby, and that is editing videos for ourselves and for other people. And all of the things that YouTube brought us upon starting our channel is like, I don't think we could have ever imagined just how special that would actually be for us. So we just want you to know that we love you guys. We really appreciate everything you guys have done for us, just being there and watching our videos or buying our merchandise. We've had so much support and love from you guys. This has opened new doors for us in so many different ways, and I like trying not to cry on camera, but like, thank you guys. Really thank you guys for everything. Really hope you guys are staying like healthy and well, both like mentally, like physically and emotionally. And yeah, see you guys on the next one.
Well, guys, it wouldn't be a very good anniversary special if the two of us weren't both in it, or if we both didn't say anything. It's been a year. Project LSJ Fiero is moving along. I just worked on it a ton today, getting it shifting, which will be in the next episode that's coming soon. Meanwhile, you might have seen in the front of the video that we put some question marks next to a certain somebody's name you may have seen before on our channel, Ronnie Finger. Well, we are doing something really cool for him at, say, celebration of our 1 year anniversary. We're putting together a care package because he is finishing his Fiero series and he is completing his build. So we're going to find 2 good taillights to send him, and we're sending him some very special tie-dye work that Rose is working on right now. And also we're gonna send him some other stuff that you'll probably have to watch his channel to see. So anyway, that's the secret. Shh. And you're gonna see that in part 2 of our anniversary special. So look forward to that. We've gone amazing lengths this year. We have gone from 0 subscribers exactly a year ago today to almost 2,300 subscribers. That is actually amazing. I would not have expected that. And some of our videos have almost 30,000 views, and that's you guys, and that's the support. However, YouTube and the payments, I'm not going to tell you how much money YouTube has paid us, but it's been pretty much nothing. Actually, what has supported us is you guys buying merchandise on our Etsy store. And now even some of the viewers have been buying tie-dye work from Rose on her private Etsy store, Celestial Dyes. And we'll put a link to that in the description. But her tie-dye work is not a sideshow to Lightspeed Fieros. She's been working on her tie-dye work for over 5 years, and she has learned from some of the best tie-dyers, and she has a very, very hard to replicate and unique style that that people have just come in droves during this pandemic to pay for her work, and it's been so cool to see that for her. So support the channel by shopping at our Etsy store, and also you can support the channel by shopping at Rose's Etsy store, Celestial Dyes, which is kind of cool because it's like celestial, but secretly in there it's like spelled different, so it says tie-dye. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. It's been a really cool year, and I look forward to continuing with you. Remember to check out part 2 for updates about the Ronnie Finger care package, and shh, don't tell him anything about it. All right, he doesn't always watch our videos until way later, so I think I can get the package to him before he even sees anything about it. But it's our secret. See you guys next time.